In case you want to add certain promotional messages or any attractive image in your website, you can do so by using the banner section. In order to add banner section in your website, click on Add section. Select banner and cover images from the given list. You can either add a small banner or a large banner in your website. Let's select a large banner. Click on Add the section. Click on Add image for banner. Now you can upload an image saved in your computer, or you can add a link from the website. You can even add an image from the library provided. Let's enter a certain keyword. Let's select this image. Now if you want to customize your banner, you can do it so by clicking on it. You can add a new banner by uploading an image from your computer or from the library. If you want to link your banner, click on Link Image. Let's link this banner to a product. Enter the product. Click on Save. Whenever a customer visits your website and clicks on the banner, they will be redirected to the products page. Also, if you want to sort your banners, in case you're having multiple banners, you can do so with the sort banner option provided. If you want to crop image, you can do so by clicking on crop image option. Here you can resize your images as you like. You can flip it left or right. And click on Save to update the changes made. If you want to add animation effects to your banners, you can just click on Animate option. Let's select an option. Click on Save. Notice how the banner appears now. Let's show you another form of animation. Now, if you want to see the settings, click on the settings option. If you want to upload a mobile banner separately, you can enable the toggle as on and click on Save. Similarly, if you want to add SEO details, click on the SEO option. Add certain alternative text for your image in order to boost your SEO rankings. If you want to add certain title description for your images, you can do so. Click on Save. Now whenever a customer hovers over the banner, they will be able to see the text. See, the text has been displayed. So with the help of banner section, you can add various kinds of attractive image in order to gain attention of your customers. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can comment below or contact our customer support team. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further updates.